Welcome to this week's Themelia Market Wrap for the week ending 31st of July 2026. While crypto prices finished lower this week, BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF IBIT fell 2%, while Bitwise's diversified crypto index fund BITW declined 1.9%. The Themelia All Tokens Index, which represents the broader market, was down 2.7%. Despite the weakness in prices, US spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded net inflows of $204 million, according to Farsight investors. After a negative start to the week, strong buying on Thursday pushed the weekly total back into positive territory. Turning to crypto ETF news, and Amplify has launched BNAV, an actively managed Bitcoin strategy ETF designed to adapt to Bitcoin's volatility rather than maintain a fixed exposure. Managed by technical analyst Katie Stockton, the fund uses rules-based momentum signals to shift its Bitcoin exposure between 70 and 150%. This reduces risk when trends weaken and uses leverage when conditions strengthen. The launch reflects a broader move beyond passive spot Bitcoin ETFs towards more tactical risk-managed ETF products. At the same time, competition amongst established crypto spot ETFs is becoming increasingly focused on fees. VanEck's HODL, which held $1.076 billion in net assets as of July 30th, ended its zero-fee period on Friday and began charging a 0.2% sponsor fee across all trust assets. That puts HODL level with Bitwise's BITB below IBIT's 0.25% fee and just above Franklin's EZBC at 0.19%. Turning to tokenization and on-chain finance. Major global banks are participating in a $1 million pilot led by the Bank for International Settlements to test tokenized money for cross-border payments. The project highlights continued institutional interest in using blockchain-based settlement infrastructure. Circle also secured a New York trust charter shortly after receiving federal approval, strengthening its regulatory position as the issuer of the USDC stablecoin. That's the wrap for this week. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you next time.